I'm Abel Bosquez. I'm running for State Representative, District 87. I want to thank everybody for making this picnic a very good picnic today. 1 year ago today, well, not today, but Labor Day, I stood here before y'all and I announced that I would be running for this position. Here I am. I appreciate all the help that I've been getting from all of y'all here. Back in December when I signed up to run for this position, my life changed. I went into another element. And this element has been changing as we go. Today starts a day where I'll be running. I have been running, but not as fast as I'm fixing to. With y'all's help, on November 2nd, I can get elected for this position, and I'll be able to go to Austin and represent labor, represent the Panhandle, represent Potter County, Sherman County, Moore County, and Carson County. But I need your help. Austin doesn't give me much of a chance at winning this position, and that is because my opponent has raised thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I've raised a few dollars, but I've talked to a bunch of people, and thousands of dollars might not get me thousands of votes. But when I talk to people, one-on-one, at meetings, them are the people that go out and vote, and them are the people that will get me elected. I need y'all to go to y'all's union halls, talk to y'all's families, talk to y'all's friends, tell them about me. I am about education and labor. On the education side, when I was in high school, the high schools had vocational classes that would teach electronics, auto mechanics, body work. All these classes are gone. We need to get them back into the school system so that when students graduate from high school, should they decide not to go to college at that time because of high tuitions or not enough money in the family, at least them students have a vocation that they can start a job that pays good wages, has vacation benefits, sick leave benefits, and then if they decide to go to college, we have right here Amarillo College that teaches other vocations. Now, them jobs that I'm talking about are jobs that have gone away. We need to bring them jobs back. We have windmill turbines going up left and right. There's no reason why we cannot manufacture them, erect them, and sustain their operations. Them are our jobs. We can do that. I want to bring jobs that people are proud to have because they make money where they can support their families, buy their own houses. But right now, the jobs that we have are minimum wage, and some are even lower than that. A person that makes $10 an hour is considered to be under the poverty level when all said is done. We need the jobs that can pay a person enough to be able to hold their heads high and be able to say, this is where I work. The students that graduate from high school from these areas, they graduate and they go to Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, Austin. We need them students to stay here and work the jobs that we need to bring back. I'm asking you two things today. I'm asking you to get out and vote early. Vote early so that you can help someone else get out and vote early. I'm also asking you to volunteer 5 people to vote with you and ask them 5 people to each get 5 people to vote with you. The other thing that I'm asking you to do is, we have several statewide offices that we have excellent candidates. Bill White for governor, Linda Chavez Thompson for lieutenant governor, Hank Gilbert for agriculture, Barbara Ranowski for attorney general, and so on and so on. We need to get all statewide offices with the Democratic Party elected. Right now, every state position is held by a Republican, and y'all can see where our state is right now. We're next to the last on education. We're bad on jobs. We need to elect all state candidates to Austin in November. So I'm asking you 2 things. Vote early so that you can help others vote, and vote for all state candidates so that we can have a good leadership in Austin. I want to thank Emmett Shepard. He just gave me a check for $750 for my campaign that came from the Texas AFL-CIO. I want to thank Hank Gilbert for being here with us today. And I want to thank most of all of y'all that are here with us also. Thank you.